यार दुनिया में 15 मिलियन डेवलपर्स हैं, इसमें से सिर्फ तुम और तुम्हारा दोस्त बचे हैं जिसको इस गिटहब रिपोजिटरीज के बारे में पता ही नहीं है। तो आज देखते हैं उन 10 गिटहब रिपोजिटरीज के बारे में which will help you in your programming, development and interview journey for everything। एंड हाँ, इसमें से 5 मेरी फेवरेट है, वो I'll tell you in between। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So first one, and it is also my favorite one, this is System Design Primer। It is the and the only stop for you to prepare for your system design interviews। It has everything for your interviews, and not only this, but also it helps you design large scale systems and one of the best resource for your system design interviews। Next is Web Dev for Beginners। This is also one of my favorite ones because it actually teaches you web development with the help of projects and quizzes। Its MSP is actually that they help you build projects plus make you learn on top of those projects। Now next comes is my developer roadmap। In the entire list, this is one of the favorite one of mine because in this you will have all the roadmaps you would ever need for anything whatsoever you want to learn। Let's example, you want to learn full stack development, the entire roadmap is here, and actually the roadmap is pretty good। Let's say you want to learn DevOps, entire roadmap is here in front of your eyes। Let's say you want to learn DS Algo, entire roadmap for computer science fundamentals and computer science is actually here, and I'm not kidding, it is the best roadmap you can see। Although it's very long, but yeah, still it is the best roadmap। Now next is our computer science, although I don't like it much because it has everything which is linked to computer science, but if you're interested in, let's say, core CS, advanced CS, everything whatsoever including CS, then it is for you। Next is our papers we love, although I am not much into research papers and stuff, but for the folks who are into academic computer science research paper, this is the GitHub repository which you should be knowing for sure to have any of the research papers with you। It has a big catalog of everything, so please do check it out। Next is our data engineer handbook। This is also one of my favorite ones because as you have known, data engineering is at the peak, and this is the handbook which you will actually love for sure if you are learning data engineering for sure। It has everything linked to it, great books on data engineering, great companies as in you have data lake, data warehouse, data quality, all this stuff। You have the data engineering blogs of all the companies because you know big data is actually in trend right now, and also ultimately as a boon you have some great YouTube channels also। So if you want to go ahead of the market, do learn data engineering also। Next is our tech interview handbook। This is also one of my favorite ones because of the reason of what they provide। They provide you everything, especially I love this behavioral questions list। It includes your every behavioral question which you would ever need in an interview, and I love that। Next is our awesome system design resources। This is another resource for you to learn system design, but Aryan, why it is so different with the previous one, primer, which you showed? Because it has on the topic basis and also on the difficulty level wise depending upon the company you are applying for or the interview you are preparing for। Next is our path to senior engineer handbook। I know I will never use it because I don't want to go in that field, but for the folks who just love and want to be an actual engineer, this is for you to just learn about all the stuff which is up to date in the market about the engineering, software engineer, senior engineer, all that stuff you can find in here। Last but not least is our free programming ebooks। So all the ebooks which you would need for your programming, development and stuff, you can find in this repository। Books, courses, docs, all of that stuff you can find in here। So that's it. These are top 10 GitHub repositories which you should be knowing for sure if you are a programmer or a developer or you aim to be these things। Now if you are looking for a job, go watch this video, and if you want Leetcode premium questions, go watch this video। Until then, see ya, bye bye।